Hello techies! This is CompTIA Lab 11.7.8 and we're going to configure a DSL internet connection. So you own a computer repair store and you are on a site at the customer's office. They have signed up for DSL internet access. The phone company has turned DSL access on and the office has obtained DSL service from the ISP. All connectors on the wall plate are for WAN connection, which is one only. There are no LAN connections inside the office. When you are finished, the DSL router should be connected to the Ethernet connection and the phone should be able to make analog phone calls. So in this lab, your task is to install a DSL router, provide to the router, connect the router to the phone jack, connect the computer to the network so that it can access the internet through the DSL connection, properly install a DSL filter between the phone and the phone port on the outlet. Okay, so we have our DSL router. So we want to place this, drag and drop it here. And we flip it to the back, and we turn this also to the back. In this lab, you will only configure the hardware to make an internet connection. You will not complete operating system tasks or configure the DSL router. Okay. So we'll go over to the cable area and we'll select this cable, Ethernet cable. We'll plug in one end just by dragging and dropping. Plug in one end here and drag and drop the other end. Let's see. Let's put the UTP cable, drag in one end here. Yep. So let's just plug everything we need to plug on this device, so we don't need to come back to it again. And the other end will come here. Okay, so this is connected. Alright, so we go over and drag the power. This is the power adapter, so we want to plug in the other end inside the power socket here. So we drag and drop it in here. Oh, yeah, no, that's an invalid area. Let's increase this Let's make it a bit bigger so that we can see. So we drag this and we plug it into this port. Okay, it's connected. And this will go into the power outlet. Okay, this is connected. So let's turn this to the back. And we want to plug in our Cat6 cable. And this will go into this port here on the CPU. While the other end will drag the other end, and let's bring this down. We'll drag the other end here. And this DSL filter. So we drag it and drop. Let's see. Let's drop it in this space here. So we get this end here, and we need to look for the right area to plug this. So we'll plug it right here. And I will get the RJ11 cable. And the RJ11 connector. One end will go to the DSL filter, and the other end will go into this, into the phone. Alright, so let's call up and see how we do. Alright, so everything is correct. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe. Don't forget to join my professional membership for extra help and tips. You can reach me through my email. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.